I'm Mathieu Naïs. I'm 28. I am a barber, a business owner, I have 2 salons in Belgium, and I am a car addict. Definitely the fade, and I am known for that. Famous soccer player loves it. Details are the most important. Love your job, be yourself, be humble, but believe in you, because nobody can do that for you. I would like to show you my favorite haircut today, the low fade. I have started using my number 2 guard to the side. Then I change for number 1 guard and keep cutting all I want, taking as reference the position area. Remove the guard and cut from the nape to just below the occipital bone. And I use the shaver to the hairline about 1 centimeter. I shave with the razor using the protector for maximum protection. Back to my clipper, I open it to the 0.5 and blend from the 0 to 1, and from the 1 to the 2, I blend with the number 1 guard. This will create a perfect finish. Moving to the top, I use the number 5 all over. Then I clean the front perimeter, starting to create a line and finish off with the razor. At the end, I use the hero for shine and finish, and I hope you like it.